डीसी डोडा, क्या है डीसी डोडा? अरे चोर है, 2 लाख की कमीशन खाई है उसने डोडा के अंदर, मकान उखेड़ दिया उसने। वो नहीं करता है, कानून को समझता है, कानून की रखवाली हम करेंगे और तू मेरे खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेगा, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को इकट्ठा करेगा, पावर दिखाता है। अरे महराज को फांसी पे चढ़ने का शौक अगर तुझे है, कर दे।
A storm is brewing in Jammu and Kashmir's political landscape. On September 8, Mehraj Malik, the lone Aam Aadmi Party MLA from Doda, was detained under the Public Safety Act or the PSA, the first ever sitting legislator in the region to face such a measure. A video surfaced showing Malik allegedly using derogatory language against the Deputy Commissioner of Doda, igniting sharp criticism and triggering his arrest. But this is not just about a single incident. It's a story of political ambition, fierce dissent, and a relentless fight for local voices. Mehraj Malik's political journey began in 2013 when he joined Aam Aadmi Party, inspired by its promise of clean politics and people-first governance. He first rose to prominence in 2020 as a member of the Doda District Development Council, where his focus on issues like drinking water shortage, poor medical infrastructure, and absent government officials earned him a reputation as a vocal grassroots leader. In October 2024, during the first assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir in a decade, Malik achieved a historic victory, becoming Aam Aadmi Party's first MLA in the region by defeating the BJP candidate by over 4,500 votes. His rise symbolized hope for many in Doda, a message that local issues could challenge political monopolies. But Malik's outspoken style also drew controversy. Over time, he was reportedly named in several FIRs, accused of disturbing public order and intimidating officials. The latest conflict erupted over the relocation of a health sub-center. Malik clashed with the deputy commissioner, accusing the administration of corruption and favoritism, while the officials rejected his site proposal for not meeting required criteria.
अब क्या किया उसने पीएसए के लायक? मेरी समझ में नहीं आता ना, इतना सख्त कानून आखिर दिया क्या? पता है, कहीं पे हालात बिगड़ गए, कहीं पे क्या पथराव हुआ, कहीं पे माहौल बिगड़ा। उल्टा जिन लोगों ने यहाँ माहौल बिगाड़ा, जिन लोगों ने हमारे मजहबी जज्बातों के साथ खिलवाड़ किया, जिन लोगों ने हजरत बल में जो है माहौल बिगाड़ा, वहां पे तो कुछ नहीं, बेगुनाह लोगों को यहाँ तंग किया जा रहा है, थानों में बुलाया जा रहा है, पूछताछ की जा रही है।
महराज मलिक साहब हैं, हो सकता है उन्होंने कोई जबान की तलखी इस्तेमाल की हो, कोई ऐसे एब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज भी हो सकता है, मगर कहीं भी मतलब पब्लिक सेफ्टी एक्ट, एक एमएलए वो भी लगाना और उसके बाद इसलिए लगाना कि उसने कोई तलख कलामी की, तो ये तो सीधे लगता है कि ये कश्मीर में जो सिचुएशन हो गई थी, जो लोगों के जज्बात मजरूह हो गए, जो यहाँ पर हजरत बल में सानिया हुआ, उससे किसी न किसी तरीके से अटेंशन डाइवर्ट करना चाहते थे।
Protests followed. Supporters and political leaders decried the move as a politically motivated crackdown designed to silence an elected voice. Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal called Mehraj Malik a lion of Aam Aadmi Party. Mehraj Malik's story is not just of confrontation, it's a reflection of a battle between the demands of democratic accountability and the growing use of preventive detention. Today, Mehraj Malik stands at the crossroads of history. A young leader who rose from the grassroots, became a symbol of local resistance, and now faces a system that may be drawing a line for him. So as the controversy deepens, all eyes remain fixed on Doda and on Mehraj Malik. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal for Mojo Story.